Hello everyone, my name is Kiana Davis and I'm going to walk you guys through my entire wavy curly hair routine. This is currently second day here, so I'm actually going to hop in the shower. I love going in with the OUAI medium hair shampoo and conditioner, and I will catch up with you guys when my hair is sopping wet right out of the shower. Okay, first thing, straight out the shower with sopping wet hair. That is the key to this. You want your curls to clump. I'm just going to go through and brush real quick just to make sure that there's no knots. I love this Oribe Curl Control Silkening cream. It just adds the perfect amount of moisture as well as a little bit of hold. And I'm just going to rake that through both sides of my hair, kind of using prayer hands to really get it down, making sure it's from root to ends. And of course, I never want to forget the back of my head, so I actually go in with just the tiniest bit more, and I take my hair to the back, and I will literally just go all over. The nice thing with this product, I feel like you can put a lot more than you think in your hair. It's not going to turn out gummy. It's not going to weigh it down. You can use quite a bit, and it really gets that nice moisture and hold. Okay, next up, I'm going in with the OUAI Air Dry Foam. I will flip my head over, and I will apply this just to the roots. This is where I really get all of that volume in there. Right here at the roots, and I very gently massage it in. I'm not trying to disrupt everything that's already going on. And then I will even take just the tiniest bit more, and I will just kind of scrunch it throughout my hair. I feel like it just gives it a nice cast and a little bit more volume, honestly. While my hair is still flipped over, I want that volume, so we're trying to give the roots some space to breathe. I'm going with the Oribe Curl Gloss. I love this. When I tell you, I was on an airplane yesterday, I left the cast in and then I shook it out once I was out of the plane. It did not budge. It was the best curl gloss that I have used ever. It really is. It's one of the best gels I think I've ever used. And I'm just going in with the tiniest little bit for good measure when my head is flipped back over. Once again, we don't want to forget the back, so I'm just going to pat it and kind of scrunch it in everywhere. That's the sound you want to hear. Okay, just taking an old t-shirt, and I'm going to very gently just scrunch out some of this water. Now it's time for diffusing. I love my Dyson. It is my baby. And honestly, I just put on a show on my phone and I will diffuse for 20-30 minutes. And then we can shake it out once the cast is really set and my hair is fully dry. I will be back. Okay, so my last step is just adding, and I already kind of did a little bit, but of this Oribe Gold Less Nourishing Hair Oil. My hair just soaks up oil, but you want to break that cast, because obviously we don't want crunchy curls around here. We want nice voluminous waves and curls. And I kind of just play around with them if they want to sit in the middle. If I want them to go off to the side, I can have them go off to the side. And yeah, that is the final look. That is my wavy curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's honestly gonna stay like this all day, even into tomorrow. Like I said, when I first woke up, that was second day here, and I probably could have just gone in with the mousse and I would have been fine, but I kind of just wanted it big today. So anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.